Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, my English lover. Meet again in English section by your teacher. We want to talk about still chapter 2. Continue for the last meeting. Still talk about let's live a healthy life. By theme atau tema, teks lisan dan tulis untuk memberi dan meminta informasi terkait ungkapan setuju atau tidak setuju melakukan suatu tindakan atau kegiatan. There is the second topic in this chapter. It is to agree or disagree with a suggestion or idea. Okay, my audience, we see about to agree or disagree with a suggestion or idea expression. By explanation here, everyone must have creative opinion or ideas, of course, because everyone has their own thought, whether they are the same or different from others. Therefore, when we have an idea or opinion, we need to discuss with others. Do they agree or not? Well, in English, this is what we call agreement for approval and disagreement for disagreement. In Indonesia mean, setiap orang pasti punya pendapat atau ide yang kreatif juga inovatif tentunya. Karena setiap orang pemikirannya tersendiri, baik itu sama atau berbeda dengan orang lain. Maka dari itu, saat kita mempunyai ide atau pendapat, kita perlu mendiskusikan dengan yang lain. Apakah mereka setuju atau tidak dengan kita? Nah, dalam bahasa Inggris, hal ini biasa kita sebut dengan agreement untuk persetujuan dan disagreement untuk ketidaksetujuan atau tidak setuju. Okay, audience, we see that bagaimana ungkapan atau ekspresi agreement or disagreement tersebut. Mari kita simak bersama seperti uraian di bawah ini. First, we talk about agreement or agree. It means that persetujuan. Expression of agree means an expression that state agree with the opinions of others, suggestion or ideas. It means expression of agree artinya ungkapan yang menyatakan setuju dengan pendapat dari saran atau ide orang lain. For example, we can use the expression like, that's right, you are right, I know, great idea, absolutely, I agree more, I certainly agree with you, I fully support the idea. You can say that again. You are telling me. Why now? fine with me. Exactly. Okay, audience, we see the expression in the dialogue like there are Rina and Balda. Hello guys. Hi Rina. Hi Balda. Yesterday you said that we had to discuss about agreed plan. What that? Okay, it's actually about our class. I need to make our class more colorful. Do you agree everyone? Sounds great. Next, the second, we talk about disagreement, ketidaksetujuan atau tidak setuju. Expression of disagreement and expression that does not agree with the opinion of other suggestion or idea. It means that expression of disagree artinya ungkapan yang menyatakan tidak setuju dengan pendapat orang lain. For example, we can use the expression like this. I'm sorry, but I don't know. Excuse me, but I don't take your point. That's true, but I don't agree with you. You aren't right. I couldn't agree with you more. Now we see the example in the dialogue. Dera, Dianda, and Mesa. How about you, Mesa? Pardon me, but I'm afraid that our class advisor will be angry with us if we don't ask her first. Maybe she has another idea. Nah guys, selain itu kita juga bisa menggunakan ekspresi seperti apabila kita tidak setuju dengan lugas atau tegas atau perfect. Kita bisa menggunakan ekspresi like example here. We can say that absolutely not. Of course not. Nothing of the kind. I disagree completely. That's absolutely not true. That's totally unacceptable. I think you are totally missed. Next, we see the example in the dialogues. Dera, Tamsa, and Sanaya. How about you, Mela? I agree about it, but I think what Mela said is right. We have to discuss it not only with our class advisor, but also with our classmate. If you say so, but I'm not confident enough to present this idea in this class. Nah, selanjutnya kita juga bisa menggunakan ekspresi untuk setuju yang belum yakin atau kurang disukai terhadap pendapat atau ide tersebut. Seperti, for example, like, I suppose so. I guess so. Perhaps you're right. Well, maybe you're right. Okay, next we see the expression in the dialogue. Dera, Mena, and Rara. So well done. Well, if you are not willing to do that, let me do it for you, and everyone must agree with me. No, you can't be serious. We must also hear our classmates' opinions. Yeah, that's right. You hear that, Mena? Okay, class. We can see about another's. Kita juga bisa menggunakan ekspresi yang lain untuk pernyataan tidak setuju dalam situasi tidak formal terhadap pendapat ide seseorang yang kamu anggap suatu ide yang tak masuk di akal. Seperti ekspresi di bawah ini. Speak for yourself. Don't make me laugh. Are you kidding me? You must be joking. That's ridiculous. I couldn't agree less. Okay, my English lover. So, my students, I think enough for our talk about this title. Thank you for your attention. Good learn. See you next meeting. Bye-bye.